Hi everyone, I'm Saiza Mizrahi and welcome to another episode of Ballroom Eksanahan. And if this is your first time here, this podcast is about sharing with you more of the community and the leaders and their stories. And for today, our next guest is one of the mothers in the community. She is like the epitome of the essence of Vogue Femme. Oh, sorry kayo dyan, girl. She's been in the community for so long. She has the eye, seeing the potential in the kids in the community. Yung parang, alam niya na parang, I feel like, I wanna give you more and I wanna train you. Kaya isa siya sa maraming mga Junakis sa community here in the Philippines. And girl, the way she carries herself, her confidence is like, don't ever mess with her. She is the mother of the house of Cleopatra and also part of the house of La Beja. Mother Dalia Cleopatra
Yay!
La Beja.
Hello everyone. It's so nice to meet you here. Tagal na neto.
I know. Ilang buwan na namin to pinagpaplano.
Parang last year pa ata to, pero hindi mapagtagpo yung skeds namin.
Yeah, because she's busy like that.
And she's also busy.
Dahil dyan. Well, if you don't know Dalia, you should know her. You should. Kasi girl, she's been in the community since
2019.
Before the purple era, before pandemic, she's been here. Nakita niya yung growth ng community from dun sa apat lang nag-walk or onti pa lang
yung parang 50 yung sa ano yun parang 50 people pa lang tayo noon.
Yeah.
Kasama na yung walkers and all. Tapos dalawa lang yung judge. Mga pa.
As in, para siyang super mini Kiki.
Super, as in super.
Yeah. So, nakita niya kung paano nag-grow yung community. At saka, yun yung time na parang kilala pa natin lahat isa't isa.
Yes.
And ngayon kasi, dami na talaga, no?
Like, super... Grabe ngayon, iba na tayo.
Yeah.
Mga hundreds na tayo.
Yeah.
Dati,
true.
we're just a handful of people.
Yeah.
And,
Kaya, her story, you should know kung paano siya nag-grow sa community. So, ito na nga. Gawin natin siya. Kaya nga siya nandito, di ba? So, Dalia, before you became part of the House of La Beja, before mothering, having the House of Cleopatra, how did you find yourself in ballroom? Paano nag-start?
Okay. Sige. So, at first talaga, na-introduce ako sa voguing kasi during high school, sumali ako ng street dance team namin, yung LSGH Air Force.
Yeah, shout out.
Ganon. And before going in there, parang gusto ko muna kasi mag-specialize ng style. Kasi during that time kasi madami na doon nagka-crump, daming nagla-locking, madaming nag-hip-hop, lahat B-boy. Walang walang femme styles doon. Sabi ko, may niche. Go. Parang during that time kasi, medyo matunog. Matunog yung pangalan ng A-Team. And when you think of A-Team, hello, Dora. So, parang during that time, nag-take ako ng workshop. Summer workshop niya yun. Tas it's a femme workshop. Tapos, ang tinuturo niya is whacking, voguing, tas jazz funk. Tas parang ang style kasi noon, every week, nagpapalit-palit ng style. So, first week, puro voguing. Second week, and so on. Tapos, parang, I think I fell in love with voguing dun sa workshop niya. And then, nag-go back ako the next year for that. And then, dun ka rin naman na-meet si Freya. Kasi nag-sub siya for one of the classes. And then, sinabi ni Freya, may ball na Premier Kiki Ball. Kaya naman 20, kopong-kopong pa ata yun, sis.
Ano yun? Nakalimutan ko na, yeah.
Basta Premier Kiki Ball, ang tagal na. Kaya lang kasi, during that time, ayokong magpunta ng ball nang wala akong alam.
Yeah.
Gusto ko may baon muna ako.
Yeah.
Gusto ko may baon muna ako. Oo.
Ganyan.
So sabi ko, sige, I'll let it pass muna. Tapos sabi ko, sige, do you want, meron pa isa. sa ano naman, ano yun yung monsoon? Eclipse Ball Monsoon Edition. Hindi ko na pinuntahan kasi hindi nga ako ready. Gusto ko kasi ready ako. Tapos, parang there was one time na kaya ko nasabing ready kasi nag-Vogue battle kami ni Katana, Cleopatra, yung isa kong anak, and then ako, tapos pinost ni Dora. Tapos nag-comment ka, parang clap. Tapos si Mother Kopi, then
clap.
Oo, cute, ganyan. Sabi ko, sige, game. Pag merong isang ball na antabay, go, sabak tayo. Eto na nga, parang after ilang months, per November ba, October of 2019, nag-announce for DV Ball.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. And then, during that ball kasi, panlakasan na din ako ng loob kasi first time merong Virgin Vogue. Tapos, perfect! Kasi hindi ko naman kaya makipagbardago lang during that time with Manza, Ponla. No. So, ayun, nag-walk ako doon sa DV Ball with that Virgin Vogue. Tapos, during that time pa, nakakahiya. Kasi i-message mo pa yung house page. Tapos ilalagay, okay, I'm walking this. Tapos ilalagay nila sa announcement, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Tapos, basta, ang dami nag-walk ng Virgin Vogue during that time. Pero, contrary to popular belief, ang unang category ko talagang winnock sa ball na yun ay face.
Ito na naman tayo eh. Meron na naman mahuhugot dito sa face. Yeah.
Kasi, nag-face. Kasi, nagpunta ako doon with my daughter ngayon, si Baby. Tapos, kinakabahan kami. Sabi na, sige, mag-shots muna tayo.
Andun rin siya, nung DV?
Siya doon, nag-best dress siya doon.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Tapos sila ni Pon na laban.
Okay.
Pero anyways, nag-shots kami noon. Kasi ang tagal. Parang sinabi, 9 p.m. sa poster. Bakla 10 p.m. wala pa. Sabi ko, okay, shucks, go. Ganun pala.
Oo, nung time kasi na yun, like parang, my gosh, wala pa masyadong tao, late yung mga tao.
Oo, yun nga, akala ko nga hindi siya magsa-start kasi pagpasok ko si Mother Size, blonde pa siya nun. Na nakabob.
Nag-aayos pa.
Oo.
Nag-aayos pala kami nun.
Ganun pa siya. Sabi ko, hi! So, ayun. Hi. Ako pa lang yun nandun. Tapos yung iba, sila, Kyla Lilalu, nagme-makeup pa lang. So, sabi ko, hindi pa. Tagal pa. So, ayun, nag-shots muna kami just to, para hindi kabahan. Tapos, ewan ko ba, parang after namin nakaubos nun, parang inamats ata kami. Tapos sabi, sige, libre, sabi ni Baby, sige, libre ko na yung registry, yung walk-in mo, mag-face ka with me. Okay.
Perfect. O, diba?
Face
talaga.
Kaya nga, face talaga, agad-agad. Naman, hindi, si Baby pala ang naka-finals doon with Ana. Oo. Pero ayun, yun yung first category ko.
At saka cute pa yung trophies natin nun, diba? It's just picture frame.
Tapos naka-print lang yung
Oo, naka-print yung poster.
Cute lang.
Ganyan, oo. My gosh.
What a time.
I know. And ang bilis, no?
Super.
Tapos, after nun,
after DV, eto kasi yung during these times kasi, ito yung mga time na parang in a year, dalawa-dalawa lang yung ball. Yeah. One in earlier, the first 6 months, tapos another in the latter 6 months. So, during that time, ang next na ball namin is Feb 2020 na yung Sweet Valentine.
Yeah.
Tapos, during that time kasi, yung mga ka-teammates ko sa Air Force, at yung mga friends ko rin sa Lasal, si Baby, si Astrid, si Val, sabi namin, kahit 007s kami, mag-dress code tayo. Pastel pink.
Arte!
Pastel pink kami lahat. So, sabi ko, go, push. Pero 007s pa rin kami nun. As in, like, we just help each other out. And then, during that time din, parang from like 20-30 people, parang medyo dumami din sa
agad.
Sa Sweet Valentine. Kaya parang, shit. Ang OA naman.
Marami nag-start trend sa Sweet Valentine.
So, during that time, ang winnock ko is face. And then, nag-Virgin Vogue din ako. Ang Virgin Vogue ko nun, ata ko nun? Hanggang semi-finals ata ko nun. Ang dami kasi 3 battles ako nun, girl.
Perfect.
Sabi ko talaga, hindi. Pagod, hingal.
Ano nangyayari?
Oo. So, and then after that, parang natigil. Kasi parang a few days after that, nag-lockdown. Sabi ko, shit. O go, pahinga muna. And then after that, ako kay Mother Siza. Intensive sa kay Mother Siza. Mga panahong dinadaya ko yung duck walk out of frame sa camera.
Oo nga. Pinapabanggan.
Oo. Tapos, nagda-duck walk po ako. Pero hindi, girl. Squats lang siya. Mga ganun. So, ayun, I took intensives kay Mother Siza for hindi lang ata Vogue Femme yun eh.
Oo. Iba-iba.
For ballroom in general.
Oo, iba-iba.
And then during that time kasi, wala pa kasi masyadong kiki houses. Like, bibilang lang. Ang unang, during that time kasi when I was conceptualizing my house, I was planning on building a house. Ang houses pa lang nun ay Tatiana, Maraj, and then Miranda.
Yeah.
Yun, sila. And then, afterwards, sabi ko, shit, parang wala masyadong kiki houses. So, ang mindset ko pa nun, sige, what if gawa tayo? Tapos tayo, since tayo lang din naman nagsasama, tayong 4, gawa na tayo. And then, pero, before taking on that, gusto ko muna mag-ask ng blessing kay Mother. So, nag-ask ako sa kanya, hey Mother, ganyan. Gusto ko kasi maggawa ng kiki house kasi wala nga masyadong kiki house here. Para mas maging competitive lang yung scene. Tapos, ang sabi ko sa kanya, ang papangalan namin sa house is Kiki House of Baumgartner.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, flashback. And then, during that time, parang sabi niya, okay, sige, go. Ganyan. And then, sabi ko, sige. Pero, hindi tayo magde-debut hanggat hindi tayo ready. So, parang June 30 talaga kami nag-form. Pero nag-debut kami July 30 sa ball ni Posh Basalia. Home Improvement Ball.
Online
tapos,
to, guys.
Online yun. Pero kasi may cash prize. Dolyar pa. Sabi ko, hey, game. Tas libre. Laban. Edi yan. Pero, the catch is, it's in Canadian time. So, nagme-makeup kami 4 a.m.
True.
Para mag-vogue ng 6 a.m.
True.
Para mag-vogue ng 6 a.m. Hindi siya nakakatuwa. Yeah. Sabi ko, ay, pa-sensor. Pero sabi ko, oh my gosh, pagod. And then, ang end ng ball, parang 12 noon.
Yeah.
Ang init. And during summer din kasi yun. So, ang nangyari is, debut kami, nag-walk kami. Ang tawag pa nga ni Posh, Baumgartner. Sis, French pa. So, ayun. And then, from that, we snatched our first GP of the house sa, GNC Realness. Tapos, $150 pa. Sabi ko,
winner.
Diba? And then, after that, syempre, kailangan mag-debut ka rin here in the Philippine scene. So, ang next na ball nun was, so from July, ang next na ball is November 2020, yung Night of Mysterious Ball.
Yeah.
Online
pa rin yun, guys.
Online pa rin yun.
Pandemic. Ang dami natin actually ball nung pandemic, no?
Oo, super. Ang dami. Ang OA.
Yeah.
Hindi, pero kasi during that time din kasi, pwede tayo makikonnect with the legends and the icons internationally.
Yeah.
So, Night of the Mysterious Ball, iba kasi siya. Yung dati kasi, yung Home Improvement Ball, through Zoom, live siya. Eto, para magsasubmit ka ng videos mo, and then, i-judge ng mga judges accordingly. Tas yung top 3, top kineme, mag-resubmit ulit. Oo, tapos magla-live. And then, out of the 7 categories, we managed to snatch 3. 3. So, ayun, yung una namin category was face as a house. Face yon. Actually, dun sa face na category na yon, kami lang yung nag-walk. Plus, hello, Yudipota from Drag Race.
Oo nga.
Oo, what a time. Pero, parang ang nanalo is, kami, si Risa, Val, ako, tapos si Park. Tapos, eme lang naman, kami lang din nanalo. Di mag-battle na lang din sa isa't isa. So, ayun. Then, ultimately, nag-finals kami ni Risa and then ako. And then, ang nanalo si Risa. And then, another na napanalunan pa namin was Runway, si Val, versus yung newly debuted rin na Anansis. And then, si Katana rin versus Lakan and Neytiri. I think si Neytiri ata nag-hands performance on. Pero ayun, so during that time, ayun, and very, sabi ko talaga, ang saya nun kasi halos kalahati ng ball na trophies sa house. So sabi ko, oh, we got this.
And girl, kahit naalala ko na parang shocks yung mga internet, no? Make sure your internet connection is like perf. Kasi diba, tas doon ka pa sa garage nyo ata. Nun,
sa garahe yun. Tapos kasi, ano yun? Semento.
Yeah.
Semento. So, kapag nagdidip ka, pasa talaga. So, naglagay ko ng linoleum.
Oo, yeah.
Ganun, para lang may padding. Pero ayun, very different din kasi online setup versus ngayon sa mga live balls.
Yeah. At saka lumabas yun yung mga creativity nila kasi nga, di ba, nag-submit sila ng mga videos prior. So, may pa-creativity yung labas-labas, ganyan.
May pa-videography.
May ganyan.
Editing.
Those were the days.
Nakapag-go
ka ba ng Rainbow nung online? Yung online
once,
pa lang
yes,
siya?
Once. Yeah. I think, yung judge is sila Ranjay. Ranjay ba yun? Ranjay, Sharon. Oo. Tapos nag-battle kami ni Oz. And then, ang next na battle ko nun is mga Koreans na. I forgot their names na. Pero during that time kasi...
Wavy.
Yes, oo. Yung naka-studio. Basta yung mga naka-studio na girls.
Yeah.
Pero during that time kasi, all white kasi yung theme nun. Rainbow. Bakit all white? So, edi ang pakak ko nun, habang binabattle ko si Mother Odds. Meron ako yung, alam mo yung sa mga fun run na color powder. Nagpapasabay. Pasabay-sabay ako doon. Tapos, naglag pala kami parehas. Edi parang all white. Tapos biglang rainbow na yung outfit ko pagka nung nag-resume na.
Yeah.
Mga ganon. Pero ayun, that was my rainbow ball experience. And then, we kept on walking balls, ganyan, hanggang sa nagkaroon ng rainbow ball na sa circuit. And then, after that, sabi kasi namin, parang, oh my God, parang hindi na nagre-resonate sa amin yung name na Bumgarner. And parang medyo, na-outgrow na namin yung name. So, sabi namin, sige, mag-iba tayo ng name, next ball. Ang next ball nun, kalat ball. And nung rainbow ball kasi, medyo nahiya din kami kasi wala kaming trophy na nakuha doon. And ang daming tao. And then, ang daming ring international Father Son, si Teddy. Ang daming nagpunta, si Dwayne.
Yeah.
Diba? And parang sabi ko, shit, parang napapag-iwanan tayo. Hindi. Paghahandaan natin to. Ayan. Kasi, during that time kasi, mga H&M fashion, hindi naman sa inaano namin, pero yung kuha ka lang, try on, yun na, go. Pero kasi, during that time, natutunan ko yung, parang kailangan paghandaan mo talaga each and every ball. Hindi lang siya basta, putyo-putyo lang na, kung ano lang makuha mo sa closet. Pasok yung sa theme green, go, pasok. Hindi lang siya pala ganon. So, sabi ko, sige, Kalat Kiki Ball will come in with a new name. And hopefully, paghahandaan talaga natin ang bonggang-bongga yun. And ayun, napaghandaan naman. And then, we had a small speech segment during roll call na, ayun nga, it's the last day of the Bumgarners, pero it's a new era for the Cleopatras.
They have something to say. After 2 years of serving the Philippine ballroom scene with beauty, grace, and moments like when they snatched 3 grand prizes in the night of the mystery ball, the Kiki House of Bumgarner has now come to an end. They thank you for having supported them along this journey. They thank their teachers, Mother Siza Pink Lady, Ms. Rahi, and Dora 007, Ms. Rahi, for being with them and supporting them for the past 2 years. 5 seconds of silence po tayo. Nakalagay talaga dito 5 seconds of silence. Ayan! Nevertheless, every ending always brings about a new beginning. Now, bringing you with opulence, allure, and intelligence rising out the River Nile, let us present to you the newest house in the Kiki scene, the opulent and the alluring Kiki house of CLEO, Cleopatra! The Kiki house of Cleopatra!
Sorry.
Yes. Tapos naka-ano pa kami nun. Naka-dress code uli kami nun. Pink.
Yeah.
Kalahat kami naka-pink nun. So, ayun. And the rest is history.
Yeah.
Yes. And now, I think, we're the
Ilan
most...
na kayo? Yeah. Kayo yung pinakamarami.
Oo, kami yung pinakamaraming...
members.
The Kiki house with one of the most members.
Yeah.
I think right now, medyo nasa 12 kami ngayon.
12 active. 12
Yes.
like current members. I love it.
Yes.
Eto, question. So from, naalala ko kasi may conversation pa tayo, no? Na
Ano
parang,
yun?
sis, alam mo ba yung
Oo.
Naalala mo yun?
With Baumgartner kasi.
Kasi actually si Mother Dahlia, fashion student. So she's very aware of like fashion and everything up until now. Ganyan, hello.
Yes.
And wala lang, may ganun ng conversation. And question ko lang is like, from Baumgartner, why? How did you come up with the name Cleopatra? Meron ka bang other options, no? Nung time na yun, parang...
Yes.
Yes! Gusto mo marinig!
Well, the other option kasi was Lulier.
Ay, taray.
As in Monique Lulier. And then, I think yun lang yung dalawa.
Okay.
Oo. Hindi. Kasi nagpa-poll pala ako. It's either we retain, ano ba gusto nyo? Kasi open kasi ako. Kung
you listen to your kids.
Oo, I want their input.
Yeah.
I want their output. I want their input whenever I make decisions. Pero, so during that time kasi, ano bang gusto nyo? Sige, magpa-poll ako. Gusto nyo ba i-retain natin yung name? Or, eto ba? Bibigyan ko kayo ng idea. Lulier, Monique Lulier. Or, do you want to go with a strong feminine na historical figure, which is Cleopatra? Tapos parang, napag-isip-isipan na nga namin na, sige, Cleopatra na lang. Kasi si Cleopatra kasi, di ba, in Egyptian history, go! Medyo underdog kasi siya and very subversive kasi siya. 'Di ba yung parang ikukulong na siya. Imbes na parang ma-die off siya with shame, parang nagpakamatay na lang siya by letting the snake poison her. So parang na-inspire kami with that story of parang her wit, but at the same time, yung parang essence ng beauty and allure and yung extravagance nandun pa rin.
Yeah.
So parang hindi lang kami parang on the surface level, 'di ba? Parang meron din kaming may something din kaming ibubuga.
Yes.
So parang dun siya na parang
nag-radiate kayo dun sa name.
Nag-resonate kami na parang oo nga, shucks.
Yeah.
Oo, sige.
See you. What's up?
So bago tayo mag-debut. Mag-debut tayo and then after that, mag-photoshoot tayo. Nagpaano pa nga ako kay Mother Siza, may deck kami may deck kami nun. Tapos sabi ko, Mother Siza, magpapalit kami ng name, ha? Ganyan, Cleopatra. Tapos ito na yung concept namin. Ganyan. Ito yung branding ng house. I want your blessing. Kasi syempre, patanong rin ako kay Mother Siza. Kasi during that time, hello, parang 2 years pa lang ako sa hindi. 3 years pa lang ako sa ballroom scene. So parang, I need your guidance, Mother. Help me. Ayun. So, ayun siya. Dun siya na and then, from there, we stuck on with it.
Yeah, I love that. Ang ganda ng story na it's not just a name, but lahat ng members, nag-gravitate sila sa name at saka yung lalim ng pinag-isipan. Matalino talaga. I love that. At saka, ngayon, pag sasabihin mo Cleopatra, alam nyo na kung sino yung mga members, you know how they are, and how they carry their name, their chant even.
Yes.
Cleo, what's up?
Kaya nga.
Diba? I love it. Ang saya. So, how does it feel like ngayon? Kasi syempre, from that time when you started, like, okay, sige, tara, let's create a house since tayo yung magkakasama. But now, you're literally like mothering them, like 12 kids. So, ano yung feeling na from before, ikaw yung parang nagla-learn, tas ikaw na ngayon yung parang, guys, hindi pwedeng ganito, ganyan. So, ako rin kasi personally, I saw your growth, how you speak, your love for ballroom, yung talagang, yung nag-research ka, you reach out to different people, lalo na nung pandemic, diba? Kasi nagkaroon nga tayo ng chance to like connect with other communities and learn more about the culture we're in, and your voice, kung paano ka mag-educate ng kids, very mother, very calm. So, ano yung feeling na mother ka na ngayon? Ng mga bagets na,
Well, ngayon, syempre pagod, nakakapagod din. Actually, akala ko dati, madali lang. Like, coming into it, parang, ay, sige, mag-farm lang tayo, tapos go lang ng go. Pero ngayon, I felt like, mothers really have like, an integral role sa houses. And parang ito rin yung napaano sa akin parang napa-ingrain sa akin ni Mother Ashira. Hello.
Shout out.
So siya kasi during that time kasi nung nag-ball ako nung 2022, pumunta siya here. Nasta kami sa traffic. So syempre nagchika-chika kami.
Yeah.
And parang challenge niya ako na parang, oh, you're one of the mothers pala of one of the first Kiki houses. Here. Kailangan you have to show it off din na parang you have to trust in yourself. And you really have to do the work.
Yeah.
Hindi lang basta, sige mag-pretty ka, pero you also have to do the work.
Yeah.
So parang from that conversation, from that long conversation, sabi ko, ay shit, sige. I really have my work cut out for me. And kailangan ganito siya. Kasi, kailangan mag-set tayo ng example. Kasi, young ang scene.
Yeah.
Very young ang ballroom scene.
Yeah.
And kailangan mag-set tayo ng example. So, during that time, yung mga 2022, dun ko sineryoso na, okay, sige. Let's get down to business. Sige, let's go. So, as in like, regular trainings. And hindi lang siya nagtatapos sa trainings kasi ako, personally, kinikita ko rin sila outside. So, kanya gusto mag-hangout. Sige, tara, out tayo, go. Kain tayo sa labas. Kain tayo sa labas. Oo. Food, pagkain pa naman, go. Siyempre, sino hindi magno-no sa food.
Yeah.
So, ayun, very challenging siya. Very hard ang pagiging mother. But at the same time, very fulfilling. Whenever you see your children na parang, oh my God, nagawa niya. She made a moment. Diba? On that runway. Parang sabi ko, nakakaano siya? Nakaka-proud. Yeah. As in, ibang feeling siya. Sabi ko, oh my God, that's my baby. Like,
yeah, that's true.
As in, very challenging siya. Kasi yung brunt work ng house na sa'yo. But at the same time, very fulfilling. Very nakakataba siya ng puso.
Yeah. And like, kahit na small improvement lang, no, for your
kids. Yes, oo.
Shucks, iba. And like, from that, you already know that you're changing their lives. You're giving them more confidence. You're giving them a space to grow and like, to really know themselves.
Yes.
And it's not just in ballroom. It's in outside ballroom. Kasi lahat naman ng na-impart na lesson through ballroom, pwede rin talagang i-apply outside. Diba? The way they carry themselves, yung pananamit nila, the way they speak, everything.
And yun nga rin ang sinasabi ko sa mga junakis ko na parang, ang ballroom, hindi naman natin yan end goal eh. Ang end goal natin is to be successful outside of ballroom. Eto, ano lang to?
Exactly.
Training ground lang to.
Exactly.
So, kung ano man yung, like for example, merong iba na kasi yung,
yeah.
Apart from being one of the first Kiki houses here, first few Kiki houses here, we're also one of the youngest.
Yeah, that's true.
So, kasi nag-start kasi ako sa ballroom. Minor. As in ballroom, Kiki kid talaga ako from the start.
Yeah.
And my kids then, right now, nasa senior high school, college, ganyan. And usually ako talaga, pinapauna ko muna, pumasok ka muna.
Education.
Ayusin mo muna yung schoolwork mo bago ka mag-ball o kaya may gig ka sa labas. Game, sige. Support ako sa, kaya may drag performance, hindi makaka-attend sa ball. Go, sure. Yeah. Game ako dyan. Basta magpaalam lang kayo, give me a heads up. Game, I won't stop you kasi naman end goal lang ballroom. For me. Ako talaga, training ground din talaga siya for the real world out there.
That's true. And I mean, like, it's better to win in life.
Yes.
Diba? And yun naman talaga, yun yung fight. Like, making a statement, not just on the floor, but outside. Kasi it screams, diba? Like, if you can balance both, girl, you're a winner.
Yes.
Diba? At saka yung Cleopatra, mayayaman yung mga yan, kaya nga sila kaya na kaya
sila.
Hindi. Yung ano namin dati, mga Cleopatra, mayayaman.
Yun yung label daw. Sabi, hindi,
Diba? I love it. And like, yung mga kids mo talaga, very shy, very quiet, pero pag girl, I love it. Tsaka the mindset, ang ganda ng na-impart mo rin na mindset sa kanila, like balancing out and making sure na they give time to sa mga sarili nila talaga. Diba? At saka yung napansin ko rin kasi, like, yung mga kids na kinukuha mong bago, parang, it's not about the skill, it's about the heart on the floor, the consistency on the floor. And yun yung, I respect about you. Arte. Totoo. Kasi like parang it's not about getting the best person on the floor. It's about honing a potential talent on the floor. Lalo na yung bago mong Junakis ngayon, si Shua. Girl!
Girl, oh my God. Just for the record, proud ako sa kanya kasi naka-move on na siya sa 1, 2, 3, 4 face niya.
Diba? Yeah, ang cute na. Ang cute. And like seeing you, like parang yun nga yung sinabi mo kanina, it really, yung talagang, you live up to the name of your Kiki House, Cleopatra, you're like, underdog, but having that presence, having that feeling of like, girl, we're gonna be here, we are so smart, and wala kami pa care, we're just gonna do our thing. Diba? I love that. And at saka, eto guys isa rin si Mother Dalia na talaga nag-step up and hindi, totoo sis. Parang girl, for the longest time, pagod rin mag-organize ng bola. Parang ako lagi, di ba?
Oh my
Pero
gosh.
isa ka sa mga unang like, sige, papabola ko. Papabola ko, mother. Ganyan.
Oh
And
my gosh.
girl, the bitch that stole Christmas was like, marami rin nag-start sa ball na yon. Marami kids from the community now na parang first experience nila was that ball. So, let's go back.
Okay.
How does it feel? How was the process of like organizing your first ball?
Okay, so I think medyo late kasi kami nag-plan out. Going into 2022, we knew na gusto namin magpa-ball as a house. But then, sabi ko, sige, next time na lang kasi, alam ko naman, may mother size na magpapaball. May mother size na magpapaball. So, sabi ko, pero, tapos nagkaroon kasi ng Kalatiki Ball, Encanto Ball by the Anansis. So, parang sabi ko, kaya naman. What if, try lang natin. And mind you, parang December yung ball. September pala kami nagplan. Medyo ano siya.
Cringe yung time. Yeah.
At saka, crunch time talaga siya. Crunch time talaga siya. Pero gusto ko kasi talaga. Gusto ko, since first baby ko kasi siya, gusto ko bongga. As in, like, something na hindi pa na-experience ng ballroom community here. So, that's what I was thinking on my mind back then. And then, with that, gusto ko rin mag-introduce ng mga new categories. So, fag out, dami mga, tapos, nag-ano pa yun. So, eto na nga, conceptualizing the ball, Mother Siza reached out to me. Tapos, sabi niya kasi, may ano kasi, may dalawang judges here na gustong magpa-ball. And kung gusto mo, ano na lang, ayoko naman na pangunahan ka sa ball mo. So, i-collab na lang natin together. So, yung dalawang judges na yon na naging judge ko na rin is si Marvel, Angels, and then si legendary Posh Vasalia. So, and then from that kasi, nag-reach out din si Father Jaja sa akin na, nasa Pilipinas si Mother Ashira, Covenant One from New Zealand. Sabi ko, sige, I'll reach out to her. And that was my first time talking to, someone na outside Philippines na mas matanda pa sa akin in terms of like ballroom. So sabi ko, okay, ganyan. Tapos ending pala, nasa Naga pala siya during the dates na magpapabola. Oo, parang noong 21, nasa Naga pala siya. Sabi ko, ay, sige, I'll just book you a flight.
Bang yaman.
Hindi, kasi, ang mindset ko kasi nun is, syempre, ayoko naman na umuwi siya sa New Zealand, tapos sasabihin niya, magbunga nga siya doon na parang, ay, ang pangit naman magpa-host ng mga taga-Pilipinas, ganyan, hindi pa ako, pinagbas pa ako. Parang, Kaya ayoko naman. We want to give them the best experience. Yun din yung natutunan ko kay Mother Saisa. So, totoo naman. So, ayun, sabi ko, sige, I'll get you a flight. And then, baka mahirapan ka kasi sa airport. So, I can rent you out a driver too for the day. Ganyan. And then, ayun nga. So, ang panel namin during that time is si Ashira, Posh, Marvel, and then Mother Saisa came up with an idea rin na present niya sa akin na, oh my God, what if gayahin natin yung Supernova? Tama ba?
Yeah.
Yung Supernova sa Taiwan.
Yeah.
Na may walking siya. So, napunta na rin sa picture si Aphrodite.
Yeah. Aphrodite.
Si Kuya Christian. So, ayun, nag-usap-usap kami on that, and then nagkaroon na rin ng mga walking segments doon. And then, ayun, from there, dami, parang 6 ang judges namin, which is really unheard of kasi. 3 lang usually. And then, ang dami ko pa kasing pinoproblema nun. Kasi, syempre, saan ako kukuha ng pera? Talaga? Sabi ko, ayun na naman.
Girl. Okay,
hi! Sabi ko talaga, my God, ang hirap dumampot ng pera. During that time, well, hanggang ngayon, di pa ako kumikita. As in, I'm living off allowance lang. And hindi naman, okay naman sa akin mag-sponsor. Pero at the end of the day, medyo measly kasi yung magagawa ko. Siguro trophies lang, pero not the venue, not the DJs, not the photo and video. So sabi ko, okay, sige, trabahuin natin. Mag-fundraising tayo.
Yeah.
So during that time, ang fundraising namin, banana cakes. Tapos ginawa ko, kasi sabi ko talaga, hindi. Kailangan kumita tayo ng mga at least 15,000 dito. 10,000. Pang DJ din to. So sabi ko, okay, sige. Jessie, dahil nasa Valenzuela ka, Kamanava area, sa'yo yan, hawak mo yan. Tapos, ayan, Astrid and Val, Pasig Mandaluyong, kayo yan. Tapos ako, mga east side naman ako. So, ayun, and then nag-work naman. We got around 10K from that. Tapos, nagtrabaho din ako mga sponsorship. So, we sent out letters of sponsorship to different orgs and different NGOs. So, ang nag-sponsor sa amin ang unang-una, si Shapeshifters. Actually, monetary pa nga yung bigay niya sa amin. So, during that time, very helpful yung monetary na, sponsorship. Kasi talagang hirap talaga kami. And then, during that time kasi, paiyak na ako kasi, pinipressure din ako ni Mother Saisa. Sabi niya, Dahlia, 2 months na lang, o magwa 1 month na lang, wala ka pang venue. Sabi ko, wait lang. So, as in, alam niya, pag nag-message kasi si Mother Saisa, kahit na tumatawa-tawa siya, iba yung dating, para kasi, straight to the point siya. So, sabi ko, hala! Sabi ko, edi, ano talaga ako noon? Ang dami ko nang message, parang, Adlib, and other places, kahit nga yung Nukal, kahit yung Nukal, pinush na kahit, hiyang-hiya, pero ako, as an introvert, hiyang-hiya na talaga ako Pero, ang na-push kasi is Bake Studios. And grateful ako kasi nakausap ko yung mga owners. As in, nag-pitch ako sa kanila, marketing deck and all. And then, nakuha namin with a discounted price yung whole space. And laki nun kasi parang 400 square meters yun. Sabi ko, great, oh my God. So, at least yun, medyo one less of my worry na siya. So, tapos, parang sinabi ko, sige, mag-ano tayo. Pero kasi, feeling ko kasi, mahirapan ako sa kasi may advocacy pa kami noon with children living with HIV. And then may international judges. Flight din ni Ashira. So, sabi ko, okay, taasan natin yung presyo. Siguro mga 800. Tapos, i-ano na lang natin, siguro 3 bottles of beer. Sabi ni Mother Saza, ay, parang beer lang. Ay, yun na. Parang hindi sulit. Ay, sige. Only drinks. Go. Tapos mobile bar.
Sobrang...
Tapos mga ano pa. Ganyan-ganyan.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos, habang kasing nagaganon si Mother Saisa, nagtanong ako sa mga, allergen, mga diets nila. Hindi ko naman akalain na ang dami pala nilang mga restrictions sa food. So, syempre, pinakater ko na lang. Ganyan. Tapos, may request pa yung mga judges kasi, they're Filipinos living in diaspora, coming from different countries. Yeah. So, namin sila yung Filipino food. So, may isang baka may pa-isaw naman doon. Sabi ko, saan ako hahanap ng isaw sa Makati? Buti na lang talaga nandun sila Maria, si Ched, yung tinulungan ako. Kaya, habang nag-judge sila, may Adidas.
Oo, meron siyang isang doon.
May talaga.
Isang bilao ng mga street food. I love that.
Oo. As in, ako talaga kasi, gusto ko lang kasi talaga at the end of the day, is mabigay sa kanila yung
best treatment.
Oo, best treatment talaga and yung parang hospitality talaga ng mga Filipinos. Yeah. So, ayoko rin naman na uuwi sila ng parang
disappointed.
Diba?
Ay, ganun pala doon.
Oo, kaya go na mga food. Ng food doon bake salmon with tapos may pa.
Girl,
may vegetarian option.
Grabe, sabi ko, ang taray naman ng pa-food ni Mother Daya. Social, ang yaman.
Girl, kasi first ball ko talaga yon. So, after that, ayun, tapos nabuo-buo na siya. Kinuha namin si Curves as DJ, Freya and Lacan as MCs. And then, may judges preparing area, may tables na pwedeng mag-prepare yung mga kids. Then, meron din sariling area yung mga Cleopatras. As in, everything came into place. And then, ganda-ganda na lang talaga ako doon.
In fairness, nakakatuwa yun, di ba? Yung sinaba ka bigla. Tas,
as in, ano talaga ako.
Pero ang dami mong natutunan doon. And
super. Iba, it's a whole different thing, like organizing a ball versus like walking lang.
Yeah. And the fact is, parang you gave the best na kaya mong ibigay for the community nung time na yun. Kasi like, girl, ang laki ng venue, ang ganda nung ang tawag dyan, yung space, dressing area for the judges, tapos mobile bar, diba? Like,
kasi, girl. Like ako, ang iniisip ko talaga noon, if walang gagawa, sino? Yeah. So, like, as early as now, let's push it to the limits.
Yeah.
And then nakita mo, the following balls, lumaki yung
diba?
ka-mobile bars na din, different booths rin.
I mean, every ball is a learning experience kasi nga gusto natin talaga ibalik siya sa community. Like you mentioned earlier na parang, I've been in the scene like ang tagal na. So, I have to step up your game. Like, really step it up and like, give it to the next generation. Making sure na parang ma-experience din nila yung experience mo and mag-guide sila properly and ma-enjoy nila the community. Kaya nga, I feel like ganun rin yung growth ng community kasi every competitive po yung mga organizers. Yes. Every time, parang, nagganon siya. Kailangan, next. Ganyan. And nakakatuwa siya kasi talagang nakikita na parang, it's not just about organizing a ball. It's about like really seeing yung parang yung gusto mong improve from the previous ball and like changing it, like really giving the best. Kasi nga 'di ba pag siguro from outside perspective, parang iniisip na parang ganda-ganda, mayaman, or it's not about that. It's really about learning something from it, making sure na parang the kids are taken care of.
Yes.
Talagang nabibigay sa kanila yung kailangang treatment. Kasi syempre, 'di ba, sa labas nga ng ball, iba yung struggle and everything. Syempre sa ball, we have to make sure we take good care of our own. 'Di ba?
Yes.
Enjoy ka dun sa ball na yun.
Oo, super enjoy ako. And then, during that day, kasi, hindi, lingid to sa kaalaman ng lahat. A few hours before, na pumunta kasi 3 p.m. ang call time ng mga Cleopatras. Parang, papunta pa lang ako, mga 1:30, umiiyak ako. As in, hysterical na ako. Kinol ko sila sa messenger. Kasi, parang, yung mga tables and chairs na for the judges and for the kids, hindi pa siya dumadating. Tapos sabi ko, Hoy, kasi si Jessie kasi yung pinag-assign ko. Hoy, Jessie, ano ba? Ayusin mo na kasi yung ganyan-ganyan. As in, hindi na rin ako makapag-isip ng straight kasi kailangan pumunta na ako sa venue kasi nandun na daw yung lights and sounds. So, very, parang wedding planner ako nun, sis. Talagang stress na stress ako dun. To the point na parang, wala akong tulog nun, naligo lang ako, t-shirt, pantalon, go, punta na dun. Tapos, tsaka na lang problemahin kung paano yung susuotin ko and paano yung makeup ko. Sabi ko, ayan, go, sige. Mag-ayusin natin. So, parang, very stressful siya during, like, before, a few hours before. As in, umiiyak talaga ako nun. Alam niya ng mga Cleos. As in, grabe iyak ko talaga. As in, hagulkol.
Yeah.
Pero, towards the latter part, as in, like, habang nag-aano na yung ball, nag-happy-happy na rin naman ako.
Yeah.
And I'm really, really proud of my children din. Kasi tumulong sila. Kahit na presented by me yun. Kaya lang siya naging presented by me kasi gusto nila mag-walk.
Yeah.
Ako naman, at the end of the day, natanong ko kasi sila, anong gusto nila?
Yeah.
Do you want to walk or do you want to present this as a house? And sabi nila, sige, gusto namin mag-walk. Go!
Yes. Pero 'di ba, grabe. After battle rin kaya mag-organize ng ball.
Super.
There's so much na akala mo you're na nakokontrol mo, pero there's so many factors na parang hindi mo talaga makontrol kahit na nangyayari towards the day of the ball and even on the ball itself.
Yes,
ang daming pwedeng mangyari. So unpredictable. And the fact that you're able to do it, make it big, make it huge, a statement on the floor. And yun nga, collaborative pa with the Wacking community. Girl, I'm so proud of you. Oh my gosh.
So, di ko rin alam kung paano ko na-pull off yun, pero
diba?
Prayers talaga.
Pero like, I feel like if you've given talaga the opportunity or a chance to do something, if you just say yes. Like, girl, yes, let's do this. Diba? O kaya nga, hello.
Yes.
Hindi lang yon. The Glory Kiki Ball was crazy.
Oo nga pala. Oh my God.
Diba? Eto, since ano yung difference like organizing that from Bishop's Stool to Glory Kiki? Kasi syempre, for sure, kumbaga may nagamay ka na, diba? So parang, what is the difference like organizing your first ball and this one? The recent one?
Very different kasi to. Kasi sa The Bishop's Stool Xmas, ano kasi siya? Ako talaga yung nag-organize. Glory Ball kasi, may kapartner ako. Basically, nag-organize din ako. Pero, I'd like to think of it na I'm a curator.
Sorry, it's like...
As a curator.
It's like, consultant ka na.
Oo. Hindi kasi, well, for transparency purposes, it was a partnership with Cass Valencia. And thesis kasi niya yun on... I forgot her, something arts, yung degree niya. Tapos, ang sa thesis niya, kailangan may parang application na kailangan mag-host ng ball. Pero kasi, nung nagko-consult siya sa akin, sabi ko, I can't let you host a ball. Kasi hindi ka naman part ng community. Kailangan muna, nakikita ka na genuine na part ka talaga ng community. So, sabi ko, sige, ganito na lang. We can collaborate on a ball na ipapresent ko. Pero since ikaw yung may kailangan, this is your output sa thesis, ano yung makukuha ng mga kids dito? Ano yung, paano sila magbe-benefit? Kasi at the end of the day, ang thinking ko kasi is, ano yung benefit nito for the community? Bakit kami makikipag-partner sa'yo kung kaya ko naman mag-organize ng ganitong ball? Yung sinabi ko kay Cassie, as in, very straight to the point talaga ako nun. Sabi ko, Cass, I can do a ball without your support and without your aid. Kaya namin. Pero ikaw ba makakagraduate ka kung... Ay, hindi talaga sabi ko talaga sa kanya kasi one of my meetings talaga with her, sinasabi niya. Pero, ayun, very good friends naman yung Cassie ngayon.
Yeah.
So,
and sobrang supportive din nila.
Very. So, ayun na nga siya. So, parang, siya yung nag-fund nung sa ball, and then siya rin yung nag-ayos ng mga logistics.
Yeah.
Ako, curator lang talaga ako. Sige. Anong categories? Binigyan niya ako ng limit. 5 categories, 7 categories. Sige. Pero ako nagagawa nung write-up dun sa categories, themes, and then ay mga categories mismo, down to the kailangan may mobile bar, ano yung isa-serve nilang cocktails, down to the selection ng music ng DJ, yung Vogue Femme na beats, gusto ko talaga sinabi ko kay Curves. Classic, ito yung playlist ko sa SoundCloud, ito lang yung gusto kong marinig sa mga 10s. And then down to the judges, as in hinandpick ko din talaga sila na na gusto ko pa rin na may variety pa rin ng houses dun sa judges. But at the same time, gusto ko rin makilala yung mga judges kasi sila yung mga statements na kumbaga in the community. So, very, very masaya yun. Curate ka lang naman Go.
Very mother ka.
Very, nasiyahan talaga ako dun sa Glory Kiki Ball.
Yeah.
And, ayun. And the rest was history. Ang daming nangyari doon.
Yeah, girl. First 15K.
Yes.
20. Ano,
15,020. Nagagawa ni ano
actually,
yan.
those are my favorite. Yun yung favorite moment ko in ballroom. Kasi talagang makikita na parang people are like, giving love on the floor. And yung unity and yung like parang, my gosh. Iba yung nabigay na love on the floor na parang we all want to give something for the community.
Yes.
And I feel like yung time na yun, it was really yung progression ng community. Parang same rin siya yung growth ng mga tao in ballroom Na parang, shucks, yung mindset nila talaga nagbabago na, giving back to the... Kaya, girl, I sobrang nakaka-proud seeing everyone mature through ballroom and ballroom.
And actually, nagulat nga ako, umabot tayo sa 15.
Diba?
Kasi ako mga 5K lang. Kasi ito yung, ang prize money kasi na binigay sa amin ni Cass, 1K. Kasi, I mean, bongga na kasi yung trophy. As in, crisp.
Yeah.
Mabigat yung trophy.
Yeah.
Mahal din kasi siya. So, sabi ko, sige, 1K lang, kikilang din naman.
Yeah.
Pero, kasi, meron sa akin nasabi si my Kiki mother, si Ashira nga, na in order to get life in ballroom, you have to give life. Kailangan magbigay ka din as an audience na nanonood. So, sabi ko, sige, let's try to open the pot. Sige. Magdodonate ako 1K and then let's see where it goes. And then, nakita ko parang, actually, I think may video yun na 1K sa akin, Mother Size 2K, Marcianos, 1K. Kasi nagpatong-patong na siya hanggang sa 15 and 20.
Girl.
15K and 20 pesos.
Yeah.
From the Kiki House of Galaxy, 1K. 10. 12K Vogue Femme. Bitch, I am 1,000K. 13,000. 13K. And 14. What's my 13. 13.5. Oh, I see one more. 14.5. Bitch. 15 na. 20.
Diba?
As in,
I mean, the love for ballroom is there.
Iba yung ng community during that
Yeah.
And you could also see it sa rin, sa mga taong nag-walk din ng Vogue Femme. The battles were insane.
Yeah. They really want that dough.
It was insane.
Girl, they really gave it. Ang ganda ng moment na yun. Favorite ko yun. So, ano na feeling mo after Glory Kiki?
Paano na yung next ball ko? Like, talaga isip ko. Sabi ko, oh my God.
You have to top that, diba?
Paano kaya?
Laban.
Pero,
diba?
ayun, at the end, pero no. Seriously. Hindi, totoo naman, naisip ko rin yun. Pero yung, on a serious note, parang naisip ko na, oh my God, ibang level ang ballroom natin. As in, we're a different talaga place on, different ang, iba kasi talaga ang mga Pinoy kapag nag-battle sila, mapa-Vogue man yan, or face, realness, runway, iba talaga, may laban, may pinanghuhugutan.
Yeah.
And parang nakita ko yun, doon sa ball na yun in itself. And nakita ko rin na parang, oh my gosh, na nag-give back din yung mga other houses and other people.
Yeah.
So, parang nakakatabayan ng puso.
Yeah.
It's, medyo, siya talaga for me. Core memories talaga siya for me.
Yeah. Oh, true. Ganda kasi. Ganda talaga. Nung, ako nga parang pag nakikita ko siya ngayon, like, shocks. Nakaka-overwhelm. Nakaka-overwhelm, pero at the same time, nakakatuwa, nakaka-proud, na parang,
Oo. At saka ano pa yun?
Gosh.
Just to add, parang free yun.
Mm-hmm.
That's a free event for everyone. And for walkers.
Yeah. Diba?
For walkers. Pero,
diba?
iba
like,
siya.
Kayang-kaya. I mean, basta tama yung why, tama the intention, the love will really like just overflow. It'll pour out. Kasi mararamdaman talaga siya if it comes from a place of love. And hello.
Yes.
Work. may moment
Grabe, oo nga, may ano.
Kasi girl, nakaka-proud ka talaga. Like everything. Arte-arte, diba? Oh, nakakaloka.
Oo, girl. From my Miza training days. Ay, just for
my
the
gosh.
record, ako ang pinakamatagal na trainee ng Mizrahi. Bago, parang hindi pa ata Mizrahi si Mother Oz.
True naman.
Nandun na ako sa pool na yun. Nakikitrain na ako sa kanila. Go.
Oo nga, actually, no? Well, kasi, kilala mo naman ako. Iba naman yung process din na as a trainee, as a house. Yun rin yung sasabi ko sa kanila. So, ayun. Parang, kasi nakita ko rin talaga yung potential mo. And everything. I really saw your love. Doon na nakita talaga kita na parang, iba. May something. I feel something. And, like, nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud where you're at. Ano ba naman yan? Arte-arte. At saka, diba, girl, talagang you really know where you are. You really know kung ano yung gusto mong ibigay sa community.
Yes.
And, like, kasi syempre from, oh my gosh, yung generation mo. Oh my gosh, okay, I have to admit, yeah. Like, the generation now, you see what they need, what they want, you listen, you feel, and yun yung very important. Yun yung importante. Yun yung really the next leaders of the scene. And you are, like, really mothering real hard. Diba? Nakaka-proud, nakakatuwa.
Thank you, mother.
At saka, sis, the way on the floor, the shade on the floor, like the shade talaga.
Grabe talaga yung shade. Grabe yung shade.
The character. Like, siguro kung hindi nyo kaya si Dahlia, like, baka ma-intimidate talaga kayo, sis. Kasi if she's on fire, if she turns on her game, girl, wag ka talaga. Kainin ka niya, sis. Her essence is like flowing, like very, nafe-feel talaga. Like, the breakdown and everything, the effects, I love. Sorry. Nakakatuwa. At kaya naman, di ba, kaya naman siya, right now, part of the house, the first ever house, international, the pioneering house in ballroom, the house of La Beja. Oh, diba? Oh, sorry. How does that feel, being a part of this house, the pioneering house of ballroom, na parang nag-debut kayo sa Rainbow Ball, that moment.
Oh my gosh.
And like, alam mo, the moment na you step on stage and now, girl, the chant, hearing your house chant, La Beja, how does that feel? Girl.
To be honest, mother, hindi ko siya masyado na-feel. Kasi, at that time. Kasi, medyo devoid ako ng emotions ko nun. Kasi wala akong tulog nun. Kasi nag-rainbow gala.
Yeah.
And parang, anong oras yung call time natin? 8 a.m., 7 a.m., 6 a.m. nagtatahi pa ako ng isang gown.
Oo nga pala.
Sabi ko talaga, oh my God.
Yeah.
As in, wala talaga akong tulog nun. And then, after
adrenaline
nun,
yung ano
I'm just running on adrenaline and Red Bull.
Yeah.
I'm running on Red Bull. Hi, Red Bull. Thank you for the for the packs of Red Bull. Ay, hindi talaga ako mabubuhay pag walang Red Bull. So, sabi ko talaga, girl, okay, nag-collection na ako. Pagkatapos ng collection ko, kasi na-move kasi yung timeline.
Yeah.
Make-up na ako agad-agad. Tapos kasi, sabi kasi ni Father, prepare ka na lang sa hotel ko. Hindi. Sabi ko, Father, I can't, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I have to, talaga, dire-diretso kasi yun. So, nag-prepare ako doon. Tapos, diretso LSS, suot na ng LSS. Tapos, diretso LSS na rin yun. So, parang very, siya sa akin.
Hindi siya sobrang nag-sink in on the day.
Wala ko nararamdaman nun during that time. As in, parang regular lang din talaga. It's just a regular day. Sige, mag-LSS tayo. Go. Game. Parang mas nag-sink in siya sa akin more. After na. Hindi pa nga after. Pagkagising ko umaga, shit. Labi siya.
So,
hindi ko talaga siya ma-feel.
That morning after.
Oo, as in, mas na-feel ko siya kasi nag-hangout na kami nila, nila Comet, nila, father, son, as in, like, us as La Bejas. So, very surreal siya for me. So, I can't believe talaga. Hindi ko pa rin siya, parang, sometimes, sinasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, oh my God, I need to pinch myself. Totoo ba to?
Yeah.
Pero ayun, it was very surreal siya and very parang siyang dream for me.
Yeah. Deserve.
Ayun.
Deserve. Tsaka syempre, di ba yung process? Like really finding your house in ballroom. Kasi girl, kaya naman siya matagal sa Misa na training. Kasi sis, naalala ko rin talaga nung time na yun. Like, kasi ako, very respectful rin ako sa trainees ko. Like, I really listen to them. Pero syempre, I see their potential and just like help them reach their, their true essence.
Yes.
Parang ganyan. So, parang syempre, constantly, I'm asking her, ano ba yung gusto mong house? Ganyan. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, okay lang, sige, mag-training ka lang sa amin habang fini-figure out mo. Kasi gusto rin talaga kita mag-improve, ganyan. Tapos, iba-iba kasi yung sagot niya every time. May mga sinasabi siyang house, gusto ko tong house na. Tapos sabi ko, sige, okay, sige, go lang. Ganyan. I really want you to figure out yourself. For yourself. Kasi syempre, yun yung house mo kung saan ka feel mo mag-grow talaga. So, parang sa akin, go. Kaya ang tagal rin. Kaya hindi rin, and I feel like, tama lang rin na,
may chika ko dyan, mother.
Diba? Kasi parang, nung dati tinanong ko, anong gusto mo? Iba yung sinabi niya. Tapos nung kay na next akan, nag-iba na naman. Next, iba na naman. So parang, okay, sige.
Figuring out.
Figuring out. And syempre, everyone has their journey naman in the community. in finding their own house and their own space. Kaya yun. Kaya happy ako na parang finally, La Beja, go. It's a good house.
Aww.
Hello. And ako, basta proud ako sa growth mo. And ako kasi, I see your mindset in your heart. Check. O, ano yung chika mo?
Hindi.
Yung chika agad?
Kasi during that time kasi, butch queen pa ako noon kay Mother Siza. Tanong kasi siya, ako kasi, idol ko talaga, ang inaano ko talaga doon, ang ina-emulate ko talaga dati. Chloe Prodigy. Nung Prodigy pa siya. Si Chloe Prodigy, sabi ko, ay, gusto ko maging Prodigy. Ganyan, House of Prodigy. Pero, at the same time kasi, when I was looking for a house, I was looking for that family element. Kapag nag-Prodigy ako lang naman dito, ayoko ng ganon. Mayroong iba na nag-work na sa kanila yung ganong method. Sa akin, hindi. Gusto ko, my family here.
Yeah, may kasama ka.
May kasama ako. Hindi talaga ako mag-aano. So, sabi ko, okay, gusto ko maging Prodigy, pero I'm like opening all doors. Tapos, nag-message ako kay Mother Siza. Parang ano yun ata, kalat kikibol. Mother, I think I'm ready to be a Mizrahi. Hinart niya lang. Tapos, naghihintay ako sa kanya. Naghihintay ako na, mag-follow through siya.
Asan ba kasi ako nung kalat kikibol? Asan ako nun?
London ba yun? Nandun ka ba? Heart yun ang heart.
Yeah,
tapos, parang naghihintayin lang ako, parang nag-OTA ball na. Dinibig si Navi, dinibig si ganyan-ganyan. Kaya saan talaga ako ng OTA ball. Sabi ko, kapag-iwanan na ba talaga ako? Sabi ko, sabi talaga sa kanya. Kaya yun, parang, gusto ko na naman talaga maging Mizrahi, pero parang I think, misunderstanding na kami on
Hindi, parang
both
nagkahiyaan
parts.
kami.
Oh, yes.
Like, kasi,
exactly.
Sabi ko, sure ba to si Dahlia? Kasi parang nung time na yun, yung sinabi mo yun, I had a feeling na parang, wait lang. Parang, basta the feeling na parang, baka na parang napipilitan na siya mag-mesa kasi nga parang na-mention niya, ang tagal-tagal na niya sa mesa, na trainee. Parang at the time, okay, wait, I gusto ko itang makausap ng talagang ano. Kasi syempre, ayoko na parang, for the sake, ganyan.
Exactly.
Diba? Gusto ko talagang buo. Yung talagang ganyan. Tapos parang sabi ko, kaya pinipace ko muna. Sige, may ganun ka. Sige, antayin natin, tingnan natin. Ganyan. Kasi ako talaga, kung ano mang house ka mapunta, kasi yun yung inaano naman talaga natin sa community.
Oo.
It's just a house name. Our relationship will, hindi siya magbabago just because magkaiba tayo ng house. Diba?
Yes.
Parang, I just wanna see you grow to the best version of you, kung saan ka potential. Kasi talaga nakikita ko na si Daya talaga nung time na yun na magli-leader talaga. Like, dito, promise. At saka, oo, talaga. At the time, kasi, nag-iiba ka na rin yung demeanor mo nung time na yun eh. Nag-iiba na how you speak, at saka, nakikita ko nagdidig deep ka na rin talaga in the community nung time na yun. Yung questions mo, mas nag-iiba, kumbaga. Kaya parang sabi ko, sige, wait. Wait muna natin to. Pero alam ko rin naman na hurt ka nung time na yun. And ako rin naman, hurt Pero like, kasi syempre, iba na rin yung relationship na na-build. Pero syempre, di ba, parang growth yan eh.
Hindi, kasi naghihintayan kasi kami. Akala ko naman, ayaw ako ni Mother Siza in Miss Right. Kaya umaalis talaga ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, sige, I'll explore kung ayaw mo. Go, sige. Kaya,
ganyan.
Kaya lahat ng mga talaga,
yeah.
Kahit,
but I feel like it was meant to happen, di ba? Kaya
I think so too.
Yeah. Diba? Ayun, nakakatuwa.
Ayun.
Nakakaloka.
Ganon.
So, may conversation rin tayo yung yung sa kotse, no? Kasi kapag galing tayo sa shifters, sa WAS, tapos parang drive home, ganyan, ang haba ng chikahan namin ng hours, ganyan. So, may mga ganong moments din. I feel like it was meant to happen. So, ayun. I'm happy you're part of the house of La Beja now. Ilang months na ba coming in? So, how was it being part of the house now? Like, wala pa kayong 1 year, technique. Diba? Wala pa. Pero like,
3 months?
How is it?
I think.
Yeah.
A few months pa lang.
Ngayon, like, how does it feel? Kasi syempre, hindi mo nga sobrang na, diba, nung mismong Rainbow right after was real, was a dream. Like, right now, you're carrying this name.
Yes.
So, what's next for Dahlia?
What's next for me? Ewan ko rin actually. Hindi ko pa alam. Kasi, medyo spiritual kasi akong tao. Ito, ikwento ko lang medyo maano tayo. every time na nagwawak ako ng category, as a Labejo na ngayon, nagpe-pray ako kay Crystal tsaka kay...
Yeah, why not?
Nagpe-pray ako kay Mother Crystal, kay Mother Pepper.
Emulating the
I need your, guidance. I need your spirit.
Yeah. Ganun.
Oo. Kailangan talaga may ganung mindset ka. Mm-hmm. Pero, ako naman, like, what's next for me? Well, hindi ko rin siya maisip sa ngayon eh. Kasi right now, I'm enjoying yung dynamic na my parent ako. Mm-hmm. Kasi for the longest time, ako yung nag-nurture sa children in the kiki scene. Mm-hmm. And very different ngayon na parang may nag-aalaga sa'yo na, ay, kapag birthday ka, may surprise sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan. May, kapag may something siya, video call ka niya, si father, son, magbe-video call kayo. And we talk about for hours and hours. Hindi namin mamamalayan, 4 a.m. na pala. And very different kasi siya. And very different din na for the first time, meron din akong mga kapatid. So, ayun, very masarap sa feeling kasi, like for example, si Magenta, uusap kami, oras din. Daldal din ni Bakla.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, uusap din kami, and then, kapag may gig yung isa, support kami lahat. Yeah. So, very different din siya. Right now, hindi ko pa talaga siya maisip kung ano yung gusto ko for the future. Kasi right now ni-enjoy ko lang siya.
Ni-enjoy mo siya. Yeah. I love
Pero,
that.
You know, I'm open for anything in the future.
Yeah.
Let's see where this takes me. But for now, I'm just enjoying myself.
You're basking yourself in the name. Ooh, girl.
Di pa rin ako makapaniwala nga, actually. Yeah. Very pa rin siya ako ngayon. Parang, Labejo ka na.
Kaya the feeling na parang, yes, this is for me, this is for you.
Yes.
Katuwa. Balik tayo dun sa Cleo's. Because you mentioned earlier na parang, di ba, dami-dami nyo na nga sa house. Let's just play something. Ito lagi naman siyang ginagawa.
Oo nga.
Kind of like, just for fun.
Game.
Like sa Cleo's. Describe them, each of your kids, in one word. Like,
one word, okay.
Or anything. It's up to you. Like a phrase or a word that best describes them. Pwedeng naingay, ganyan, maarte.
Okay.
Mga ganyan ba? Para lang mas ma-meet rin namin yung mga kids mo sa Cleo. And then later on, sa Labejo naman.
Yes.
Okay. Yung mo na. Siguro, sa Cleo, top 5. Yung top 5 kids na parang ako, personally, nakikita ko on the floor. Na, kasi lahat, ang dami kasi sis.
Ang dami
12, oo.
Baka isang oras ulit tayo mag-ano.
Isang oras tayo. Sige, eto, isa sa mga matagal na sa scene. Val.
Si Val.
10, 9.
Ang hirap. Pero, si Val, perfectionist.
I love that.
Perfectionist. Yeah. Kasi I remember one time, I love you, Ayel. Pero kasi, na-mess up niya kasi yung production ni Val. Kinoryo kasi namin yon. May production kami. Tapos sa Bibidi Babadi Ball, I think, plinay ni Ayel, may nagwo-walk pa. Nasa likod pa sila Val. So, yung pagka-beat na yon, 1, 2, 3, 4, start na yung choreo.
Okay.
So, na-delay sila. Yeah. Hindi na nakapag-establish.
Okay.
Parang na-off ata siya doon. Tapos parang, medyo
as a perfectionist.
Medyo nawala na siya sa mindset niya. Parang sabi ko, nag-aano na lang siya, sell na lang siya kung anong masell niya. Which is okay naman.
Yeah.
Maganda yung performance niya during that time. Pero I know na hindi ito yun.
Yeah.
It's not it. So, ayun, yun yung talagang nakita na perfectionist siya.
Yeah.
Talaga.
Yeah. I love perfectionist for Val.
Perfectionist.
Next, let's have Maria.
Matakaw. Hindi.
Kasi matakaw?
Siya kasi talaga, as in, if you wanna bond with her, food. Through food talaga.
At saka marami rin na-form na conversations while you're eating, diba? Parang, diba?
Ayun, pero yun, sasabihin ni Dalia na wala sa podcast, matakaw. Pero, well, on a more serious note, mother. As in, mother.
I love.
Kasi, I mean, siya kasi parang nagiging second Kanang kamay. Second.
Right hand mo.
Right hand ko. So, parang siya yung tumutulong sa akin when training other people. Kapag, kunyari, may problema yung isang member sa house. Siya yung unang nagbe-video call, check-in.
I love.
Ganyan. And which is nagulat ako sa kanya. Kasi akala ko dati, kasi ka-teammate ko siya sa Air Force dati. Akala ko, pumasok lang siya sa house. Just lang. Para lang, kasi in ang voguing, in ang ballroom. Pero no, she's stuck all the way up until now. And parang sinabi ko, okay, may passion siya sa loob. May genuine love siya for ballroom.
Yeah.
And
at saka siya yung laging nag-walk.
Diba? Sa apoteka, parang siya.
Yeah.
OA siya doon.
Talagang pinuput niya yung sarili niya on the space. And like, at saka laki in-improve niya, girl. I love it. Okay, next. Si Jessie. Siya yung original na baby ng group. Kasi siya yung, if I remember, siya yung one of the youngest talaga nung kinuha ko siya. And nung kinuha ko siya, very rough on the edges pa siya talaga. And bizarre talaga yung category niya, diba? Pero ngayon, diba? Look at her. She's evolving into a drag artist. Yeah.
So, very proud ako sa kanya. As in, siya talaga yung isa sa mga babies ng group na, as in, baby talaga. As in, tinuturuan ko kung paano, nagtatanong siya ng siya yung talaga yung pinaka-baby ng group.
I love it. Baby Jessie. Next.
Sino?
Shucks, sino pa ba? Sige, let's have yung mga bago. Shua. Bakit?
Tawa kasi ako din sa bakulang yun.
Bakit?
Wala kasi mga shared story. Sister.
As a sister.
Ayun, sister naman siya. Kasi, syempre, sino lang ba yung mga femme queens sa namin, kami lang naman. Yung isa kasi si Baby. Nagdi-transition na. So, kami na lang mga sister. So, FQ things. We understand the FQ struggle. So, very, so, kunyari, pag may mga kwento-kwento na tinatawanan na lang namin. Like, for example, paghanap ng jobs, may struggle din kasi doon.
Yeah.
If you're a femme queen,
that's true.
Diba? You have to be mindful of kung ano yung kung sino yung mga bosses mo.
Yeah.
Kasi sometimes, this can be a problem to them. You know? Pag-makeup pa lang, minsan problema na. So, sometimes you have to be conscious about that. But at the same time, you need to have a living then.
Yeah.
So, yun yung mga napag-uusapan namin mga struggles ngayon and something that we can relate, then, ayun. Kaya sister siya sa akin.
Work. Okay, nak.
Ay,
next.
Go.
Si Alvi. Last na si Alvi for Cleo.
Si Alvi. Ano kay Alvi? Si Alvi, siya, enthusiastic. Feeling ko. I think that's the best word that encapsulates him. Enthusiastic. Kasi, ako, whenever, kapag nagkikritik ako sa kanya, kunyari, kasi nagsasabi niya, ay, ba't ako natalo dito, ma? Bakit ganyan? Sinasabi ko. Nagbibigay ako ng pointers sa kanya, next time, try to work on this, try to work on that, ganyan. And then siya talaga nakikita mo na, kahit na, Diyos ko, 3 a.m. ata yun, naglalab siya sa...
True.
Sabi ko, hindi ko kaya yun, hindi ko talaga kaya yun, and siya, props to him, as in, he works on, if may sinabi ako, he'll definitely work on it. And makikita mo talaga yung improvement.
Yeah.
And very enthusiastic siya dun sa part na yun. And with ballroom too, kahit kung siguro walang wala siyang mga schoolworks, coursework, baka lahat ata ng balls na sinalihan niya na.
Yeah, true. Iba. Yun rin yung nakikita ko sa kanya. Very, siya.
Very like, nakikita mo yung passion.
Oo. Kita kay Alvi. Work. Punta na tayo sa Lobeja. Yung mga, mga kapatid mo naman. Bardagulin natin sila.
Ay, sige, go. Game ako dyan.
Kilalanin natin sila. Currently, ilan nga kayo ngayon? So, you have Ella, Magenta, and Gab. So, 4 lang kayo, no?
Or, yes.
Kayong 4. Okay, gawin natin.
Na dating 5.
I-switch.
Ay, Janice. Hindi, man.
I-switch natin yung game this time.
Ano ba
so, sa
yan,
inyong 4,
Janice?
kasi kanina mga one word. So, sa inyong 4, I wanna know, sino yung na-mention mo kanina matakaw. Sino sa inyo yung pinakamatakaw?
Ako.
I love
Ako,
it.
bakit?
Okay.
Go.
Perfect. So, sino yung pa-virgin?
Si Ella.
Ay!
Pinakamasikip yun. Sikip
God,
naman yung ate girl.
Pa-virgin. Sino naman yung like, kunwari sa groups yung nagsasend ng mga, kabastusan, ganyan. Yung mga very...
Ng mga lalaki, si Magenta. Unang-una talaga. Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, tigil sis.
Magenta. Pa-forward din, charot.
Ay, sige, go, mother.
Charot lang. So, sino yung like, very vocal? Yung talagang parang, sige na, hindi naman medyo mapang-away na very, very loud.
Yung pang-5. Charis!
Gaga ka! Hindi sa inyo 4.
Mapang-away?
Hindi naman mapang-away, pero like very opinionated.
Opinionated.
Very,
okay.
like,
si Gab. Si Gab kasi, reserved lang siya. Mag-observe lang yan. Pero, kapag may na-observe siya, tapos parang hindi siya well tumatak sa kanya, parang magme-message siya sa amin, uy, nakita mo ba yung ganito? Ako kasi parang, I don't agree with this. Parang hindi dapat ganito. May mga ganong takes siya.
I love it.
And, hindi siya nagsasalita agad. Kino-consult niya muna sa amin. Na, ganun din ba yung naiisip niyo?
Yeah.
Pag ano. So, siya yung hindi mo siya very opinionated, pero sa 4, siya yung
vocal. Yeah.
Vocal in that sense.
I love it. Oh, wait lang. Ano pa? Sa inyong 4, sino yung sa tingin mo, like, best friend mo? Yung like, pinaka parang, kapag may nangyari sa yung something or merong something na parang, sino yung una mong easiest to talk to?
Recently, si Magenta. Sabi ko talaga, the world is seen kasi nag-away kami. Nag-away kami sa, sa ball. Yung the bitch that stole Xmas. Yeah. Alam niya na mga kiki parents, as in, paragraphs and paragraphs ng away talaga. Pero ngayon, mas vibe kami ngayon. Recently nga, nag-usap kami, may exhibit daw siya this September here. Babalik siya sa Manila. Ayun, very easy to talk to lang din siya. Very vibes kami ngayon.
Yeah. You got to know each other more.
Oo, hindi ko siya ma-explain ngayon bakit yung energy namin, we're gravitating towards each other. Or ako, nag-gravitate ako towards sa kanya. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero there's something talaga right now.
I love
siya yung pinaka-close ko ngayon.
I love that. Baka kasi syempre nag-grow na rin kayo from bitch that stole to now. Diba? Nag-iba na yung mindset.
Nag-heal na nga yung world.
Nag-heal na. Heal the world.
Nag-heal na ang world.
Yeah, I love it. At saka katuwa, diba? Parang si Gab LDR din kayo eh. No?
Oo, lahat kasi si Magenta sa Baguio, si Gab nasa Alabat, si Ella, and then nandiyan lang naman siya. Pero kasi...
Pero malayo pa rin kayo.
Oo, malayo pa rin kami. So, parang kaya talagang, yung father namin nasa Thailand.
Oo. Yeah.
Sabi ko, prayers na lang.
Pero it works, diba?
It works. As in, it might not work for others. Pero, yung sa amin kasi, nakapagkapaan na kami. And, we know what...
Kapaan?
Wala, mother! Si Kuya C.
Nalaman nyo na yung dynamics nyo.
Oo, and we got to know what works best for us and what doesn't work for us. So, ayun.
And that's the most important thing, di ba? Kasi syempre kayo yung magkaka-house, very important that you're open to communicate with each other and very like, you accept each other, kung ano man yung pinagagawa nyo, kung nasan man kayo. And that's the most important thing in ballroom as a family, as brothers and sisters, 'di ba? Yung understanding, yung heart.
Yes.
Kaya kayo yung nandyan. Kaya kayo yung magkakasama. Exciting.
Super
Nakakatuwa.
exciting.
There's so much in store. I know, I see, and I feel it. There's so much in store. Not just for your house, for you specifically. I'm excited to see kung ano pa yung mangyayaring evolution, kung ano pa yung mabibigay mo sa community. Because I know and I see that you really have a big heart for the community and how you take good care of your kids, how you communicate with your brothers and sisters. Not just yung mga ka-house member mo pero like outside your house name, how you take good care of them. Talagang grabe. So, siguro ngayon, hindi mo pa nakikita kung ano yung mangyari in the future. But I'm excited for it to unfold. And I'm so happy to see your growth. I'm so proud of you as a mother, Dalia. At saka, to be honest, ako, na-inspire din ako sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon. And hopefully, I'm sure, like, the kids out there are inspired by what you're doing. At saka, girl, there are so many ways on how to do things. Kasi, like, now, I saw you have the Cleo Bakes. Aray, diba? Fundraising.
Nangangamoy ball.
So, guys, support, follow their page. Tapos, diba, you're also gonna have, like, yung thrift, ano yun? You're selling your clothes.
Yes. So, bale, we have, right now kasi, we're fundraising for another ball. Hopefully,
Watch
for
out.
The Bitch That Stole Xmas 2.
Where?
This year. So,
do it.
ayun. Kaya, yung mga anak ko, they're doing, kasi gusto ko naman ma-share sa mga children ko yung knowledge. Hindi lang dapat nagsastop sa akin. Kailangan, ma-continue rin towards the newer generations and the other generations to come.
Yeah.
So, kailangan, maging adapt din sila on organizing, on what it takes to, actually fund the ball. So, ayun, kanya-kanya sila ngayon. So, yung sa Cleo Bakes, si Ched ngayon, si Ched ang naggagawa.
Yeah.
Si Ched ang gumagawa ng mga ganon. And then, for Cleo Ukay naman, yung mga, dati namin mga effects, yung mga clothes na hindi na namin masyado nagagamit, doon namin siya binibenta.
Yeah.
And then, ayun.
Yeah. So, guys, support what they're doing, support their work, because it's for a good cause. And like, we're excited to see that.
And hopefully,
diba?
we see all in December.
Of course, we're gonna support that ball. So guys, watch out, because it's gonna be crazy. I'm sure. I'm excited for it. Whoo! Nakaka-proud ka, girl. Dami mo mga ganap, diba? Arte-arte.
Siyempre, nak mo ko.
Girl. Ano ba yan? Nakakaloka, sis. Pero yun, nakakatuwa. And like, thank you for your time. Thank you for your energy. Thank you for sharing your story. And yeah, excited to see more of you.
And thank you then for inviting me here.
Of course.
Oh my God.
Girl. Ano, meron pa bang spluk? Charot. Eme! Pero yun, sobrang happy talaga ako, and happy ako sa growth mo. I'm happy sa energy na binibigay mo on the floor, sa community, sa next generation. Kaya nga ako lagi ko sinasabi, like, I know that the future of ballroom is like, ano yun? It is like, kampante ako sa future ng ballroom, kasi alam ko that the next leaders, they have the right heart, they have the right mindset, they have the intention to like really give it back to the community and like really give their best for the scene. And alam ko na sila yung talagang magte-take good care of the community moving forward.
Yes.
And hearing her like training na her kids to have that same thing in the future, girl, that's something. So yeah, ballroom naman is ngayon yung sasabi sa'yo, diba? It's bigger than us. Whatever it is na mag-unfold in the future, hindi natin alam. But lahat tayo is crucial sa mangyayari sa future of ballroom now that it's really expanding and it's growing. And yeah, let's just watch out. And let's just like hold on to each other, and I know it's gonna flourish even more. So yeah. But before we end this, I want to hear from you if there's any message that you want to say to like sa mga aspiring na gustong mag-walk ng ball, wanna be a part of a house, wanna create their own house? Like, there's anything that you wanna say?
I think that if ever you wanna walk balls or gusto mo gumawa ng sarili mong house, syempre you have to, I think ang pinaka-importante talaga dun is, first is yung intention. At the end of the day, ano ba yung goal mo? Bakit ka gagawa ng house? Is it just because gusto mo ng may sense of belonging ka? Or is it just because gusto mong, wala lang, may ano lang, magrupo-grupo lang kayo. Pero at the end of the day, kasi kailangan, maganda rin yung intention mo. At the end of, kasi, basta, yun, kailangan maganda yung intention mo at before you start house or before you even walk a ball.
Yeah.
Diba? And ako, always know your history. Always know yun yung assignment talaga for the newer kids out there. Kasi ang dali lang pumunta ng ball, ang dali lang pero like doing the brunt work of joining classes, listening to ballroom talks, actually researching and connecting with other people outside the Philippine ballroom scene. Yun yung I think kailangan ngayon. Yeah. And third, if you wanna walk or if you wanna make a house or if you wanna organize a ball, just go for it. Kahit na may takot dyan, you'll be stagnant. Hindi ka magpo-progress kung magpapakain ka sa takot na yon. Kasi ganun din ako during that time. I was only 19 years old when I first organized my own ball. And during that time, ang daming uncertainties, ang daming what if mag-fail, what if mag-ganyan-ganyan. You just gotta push through and you just gotta learn from it. I think. Just go for it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mother
And
Dara.
thank you then for having me.
Yes. And of course, don't forget to follow her socials.
Yes.
Ayan.
Instagram at Dale.Sarmiento. May somewhere here, magpapapa.
And syempre, yung houses mo.
And yes, my Kiki House at Kiki House of Cleopatra, somewhere here. And then, my La Beja House, so at La Beja Pilipinas. So, follow those, I guess.
Follow, like,
and at Ballroom Culture.
At Ballroom Culture PH. Yes. Follow nyo na rin yung CleoBakes.ph.
Yes, and Cleo Ukay. So, daming daming
follow nyo lahat. Ayan, lahat. So, So, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you learned something. And, I hope you learned from it. And we hope to see you on the floor. It's next events ng Ballroom. And I hope you had fun. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and everything. And watch out for the next episodes of Ballroom Exenahan. So that's it for today. Thank you and see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.